Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to get user input in Python. To do that we're going to use the input function. Okay, I'm gonna create a variable city and I'm going to use the input function. As inputs parameter we're going to use prompt string. In this example I'm going to use prompt string city. Let's say, for example, that our city is New York, and now this input is stored inside city variable. I'm going to print this variable, and that's it. Also, you need to notice that every input is a string, even if it's a number. So if you want to get a number from the input, you have to use the int or float function to convert that string to number. For example, let's create another variable. I'm gonna call it year, then I'm gonna call same input function, and then I'm going to use int function to convert integer from the input to string. Let's say, for example, 2018, and now let's print our variable year. It's the same with float point numbers. For example, let's get a float point input of a price. And now I'm going to use the float function to convert this string to float. And finally, let's print this price. That's all in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.